Hello. Wait, where they go, sef?
No understand. When you say no go sit down for one place. She no go stay for one place. You jump up and down. What you first run see? I don't like all this kind of thing. No, go to search person for nothing. I put this rope. Okay. Wait. Hello, I'm up. How far now?
Why you dey like this?
Tell me where I dey. Calm down. This your tone. I don't understand you. I dey house.
One guy come to me tell me say you dey owe money since 2020, since lockdown. You now come give me dirty slap, collect my big phone. Shaggy, I'm not happy.
Wait. I know that a person slap you. You don't can't do anything. Wait till you do.
Wait till I come do. Wait till I want do the guy. Shaggy, now you they put me inside this kind of trouble. Or they come to your house now like.
Hey, don't come my house. Who shall say they come my house? I don't tell you say that my UK babe they around. She dey around now.
Which UK babe? Since December, Shaggy, she still did there.
Sweat me self. I don't tire. I no go lie you. Please get. No say my plan be say she go help me do paper. Make me say make I JAPA PLAN for this country. Now me dey spend my money. Wait, why go? I don't dry. All my money don't finish for. Account. I dey tell you. That girl dey she dey shop. She fit shop her full shop. Oh no. Even better as they come like they come. Maybe now you go use excuse come on this side because she come and never come on for this side. I don't even know whether now. Not be the way we dey shout for Facebook before I see her pidgin. This guy dey speak pidgin English pass you.
She dey speak pidgin English.
Wallahi.
Where Suliyatwo?
Suliya? Well, Suliya don't go her mama house. Since December 20, she never come back. Even better than never come back. You understand? Before she come back, this one go don tafu go back. Oh yeah. As I be play my game now.
Baby now.
I'm coming now. Hello, I'm on. I go call you back and now she dey call me, so oh yeah. Where they come?
Okay, I come.
I'm coming. Baby, so what I'm doing? Sorry, darling. Yeah.
Baby. What's wrong with for you, sir?
What's? Why did?
Is that your back here now?
What's? What did they do for you? Oh, come here. I want to see you. You want to see me for waiting? So as I dey like this, you know they see me, you blind and transparent. You know they see me like this. What do you want? Oh, come here. I want buy book. You want buy book? You love book with the boy. But now, but I want to let you go. Exercise book and business still live. Go see who go. Mark William, if I slap your face, you go for me for it. Go that both see. What do you want this book do? I want read that so I go there prepare for WAEC. I want go school this 2024. You want go school? You wait to finish primary school. You want go school? You say you want bite. Obi like say now I just confirm say mosquito will get malaria. You don't bite you for brain. You don't get it. Come on for here. Go read that man. I say come on for here.
Baby, calm down. Give am small thing. Why you dey stingy like this? You don't know say knowledge is light.
Baby, I know knowledge is light. That's why I don't want to make this boy head for the toilet. You say this boy dey na were. No, they look at you. All this way they talk say I want buy book na life. Na because say they see you say you say want buy book. Make them think say okay. Na serious person na were. This one wey no sabi read. If I give her that money now, na bread and beans, this idiot will go back. Oh yeah, daddy. Hey, I dey come on for here, Joy. I go. Come on for here. I want buy book. Come on.
What's I beg. Come back. How much is the book now?
No, just 2,000 naira.
2,000.
I go need extra 500 naira to go bookshop. I'm going to point. Extra with. Come for here, idiot. What can you be? Baby, if I don't give her that money, you're a very stupid boy. You go use that money shop.
Baby, you did stingy now. Why they do like that? Come rub my leg. Now
Wait up. Calm down now. Calm down. If now you will do. If I don't put this rub, now you no worry. Everything will be okay. I will just put you inside room. You go sleep. I go all far. Oh, by the time you wake up, you go there alright.
Baby, I want to chop chassis burger. I want to chop chassis burger.
Rema burger.
Rema, what did you say?
I say I go tell them I may tell Georgia to make them do the burger.
Wait. When we go come here?
We said now go rest.
Yeah. Babe, do it softly now. Why not? Oh, you know, Sabi do something sexy. Oh yeah.
Okay, I will go and search.
Wait. Up small.
Ready.
Sexy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come, what did they do? You know Sabi enough. You don't see what's for outside.
Nobody there outside, Joe. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Fine,
Hey, come outside. No.
They call me White Agbero.
Like you
Can come.
come outside. Baby, I dey come.
Yes. Oh, wow. Hey.
Which kind greeting be that? Where they open teeth like this, man, they greet her like for our life. Not try that rubbish again with me, oh. So they greet her.
We are waiting to her leg for you to rub am like that.
She fall down for a bed too. Make she no even come die for a year. Me I no fit sleep for another place, though. Come, who be the person where you thought say slap you, collect your phone?
I'm on one big guy like this, so Shaggy. I never see him before.
For where?
For that our field.
Where would they play football?
Yes.
Where? Big guy. You talk like this.
Yes.
You get shares.
Yes.
Wait, man, I just want to say that the same person, oh, where in hand be like 3 people. Oh.
Ah, yes. So now that big hand slap me.
You can't collect your phone.
Yes.
Okay, I know the person. Now, so over. No way, we go leave her for God.
Shaggy, we think God won't use my phone too.
She go collect your phone.
I need my phone back now.
Why you gotta tell me? Go collect your phone now.
No, because of your money where you owe the.
Okay. I go shield.
Shaggy, no be Suliyatwo be that. Wait, you cannot be make I go out. No, something waiting with this now, make I go my house.
Which house? I have to call home with me this together.
You know say they mad, on they Chris. You know say they sleep for you.
Sorry. I will explain later. But for now, what I go to your boyfriend?
I like that one, no. Baby.
Baby, bow.
Happy New Year!
Baby! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
White, your sister don't come back from America.
Sister, okay. This one is my girlfriend. My sister.
Now your girlfriend, the bow. You gonna say they Chris. Shaggy, what's all this now?
See, even they speak by thinking. Now una carry bad market from now.
I saw that they fight, don't mind the
Shaggy, baby, what is going on now?
Baby, calm down.
Make him go sing. Hey, what? Hey! So wetin was tell me na true, Shaggy? You get mind. Carry woman come my house. They sleep on top my bed. They chop my food. No worry, I ready for
No, calm down. It's not like that. See, let me explain.
You go explain, Taya. No be the evidence I dey see so.
Calm down.
I go calm.
Yeah, Jesus.
Wait,
Sulia.
yes. What is this?
Na juju. See as you dey see am so. Anything wey I tell am say me do, na him dey do. Oya White, start to dey dance, dey go your house like were.
No be juju be that.
Oya, múra sí ilé koko ń tagbe.
White.
Koko ń tagbe.
You never see anything.
Oya. Fast.
Sulia, wait. Don't forget the way you did. You know, say after everything I do for you, we still dey together.
Like this one wey you do, Abi. In fact, your own go worse pass madness. Oya, start to dey back like dog.
Calm down, Sulia, please.
You think it's a joke?
A lot of canal. What is this?
Calm down. From where to where? What say Debbie? See, no worry. I go calm down. But first, you no go leave the way you come back.
Okay, wait. I beg. No be like this, so it time me say you no get girlfriend. It time me say me I be in girlfriend. He love me. I don't know anything now. Yeah, no problem. I go leave.
Leave go where? Leave go where? Who tell this one where you go leave? You go. You no go just go the way you come here. So it's your.
What am I saying?
Shut up, your mouth! Shut up! I said shut up! Oya, boss, start to the back like dog. Bingo! Oya. Bingo! Una see wetin una do, abi? Una see say you don go let Oyinbo go. Oya, the two of you.
Jesus. No be me. I beg. Which kind of commotion be this? I beg, I dey go UK.
Oya, start to the fight. You want me to do that?
Jesus.
Who you want to take?